Hi, we're back.
We're back.
We're back. We're so back.
Apparently.
We're back in black. Actually, we're back in blue and green.
Yeah.
So we can't be a member of AC/DC. Oh my god, stop me.
Anyway.
Slap me. Anyway, hi.
Hello.
Where are we going today?
We're going to Piccadilly.
By the way, why are our intros always so awkward?
I don't know, it's our thing now.
I make things weird.
Yeah, you do.
Anyway, we are going to Piccadilly.
Yeah, my mum's coming, so we're going to go collect her.
We are.
Yeah, we might go for a drink somewhere afterwards. Have a catch up. And see where it goes from there.
See what happens.
But yeah, I think this is going to be a bit of a random video of like, with the next few days. Like things to do around Manchester.
Yeah.
So we'll just film wherever we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go and explore some random things and document them as we go.
Yeah, we've got no set plan. It depends on weather and how we feel, and yeah. So we're just gonna improvise and see what happens.
Exactly. Go with the flow, as Payne says.
Indeed. Good song.
It's a bang of a song.
Yeah.
But yeah. Anyway, that's it. We are running late as usual, so why are we rambling on here? We should be rushing to Piccadilly.
I think we'll still make it. We've got an hour. But yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see in a bit.
We'll see in a bit.
When we have Mama.
When we have Mama Llama.
You made it.
We're back. And we made it.
We were a little bit late, but Mum's train is delayed, so it works out very nicely.
So we are both fashionably late, as usual.
But we beat her.
Of course we did. Oh, boring.
You've been here 1 minute.
Oh my god, so boring. Come on, Mama. What's the hold up? What's the bloody hold up, Mama? Come on.
You can blame the trains for that. Are they ever on time? No.
No. No, they are not. The train arriving from London Euston is delayed 24 hours. That is due to incompetence and laziness of our staff. God, it's so boring to wait. Oh my god, so boring. I'm so bored. So cute. Mama! Oh, there she is.
She's got a new one.
She's brought an orange case.
Yeah, we went to
Pier Hat.
which is really cool.
We got some Delirium Red. They got Belgian beers in here. At least one, well, 2 Belgian beers at least.
Yes.
They are very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Sorry. Just saying, it's great to be in Manchester. See my lovely daughter. Missed her so much.
So cute.
And her other half, of course, Lars.
Yeah.
Who will take the piss out of me big time.
This piece of shit.
This is a very cool place.
It
The
is.
alternative, come here for sure.
Yeah, I'm trying to think if it reminds me of something.
It's very...
It reminds me of that pub in Sheffield. Oh, you know where there's actually 3 pubs?
Oh, Double Rainbow.
Yeah.
Kind of,
A little bit.
This is a bit more like vintage.
Hello.
Hello.
I enjoyed that.
We just left Pier Hat.
We just left the Pier Hat.
It's nice. nice, isn't it? Very cool vibe.
Good vibes.
Fan with me.
Hello.
Are you hot, Amanda Milton?
Yes, I am. I'm of a certain age, so you know.
Heating's not even on.
No.
Is it not?
No.
Oh my days! I'm used to 16, 17 degrees in my flat.
That's not normal.
No, that's too cold.
It is normal for me. And
No,
it's
yeah, that's
actually
too
quite
cold.
Nice. No.
You might as well live outside or in a tent.
No.
It's ridiculous.
Oh, no, outside is about 2 degrees.
It's not
Slightly
normal.
different from 17 degrees.
Not
Let's get it
not
right.
not normal.
Anyway.
Jesus Christ. Anyway, holy shit, it's been a while. We're back. We're back.
With the
yeah,
added addition.
it's been a minute. There's someone over there.
Hey.
Who is that woman in a... Not that woman, the other woman, that woman.
Oh, God.
Who is
Can I
that
just
woman?
say he's had a couple of these. So,
I've had a few.
yes.
And we listened to Ex Deo, apparently. Ex Deo. Anyway,
Anyway.
hi. This is so awkward. I really fucked it up. It's the next day now.
That's the funny part about it.
Yesterday was yesterday, today is today, and it's been a while.
Yeah,
What I'm saying is that it's been at least 24 hours since we last filmed.
pretty much. So
And now
we
we're
went
here.
Beer Hut yesterday, and now we're getting ready to go GC.
GC!
His mum's never had a proper DJ night there, so.
No, I haven't.
She never
So
had a proper
I might
DJ
show
night.
my age on the dance floor.
The thing is, you get all ages in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll film a bit, but obviously you got to be careful with the copyright.
Yeah, we'll film as much as we can.
Some snippets.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's gonna be her first DJ night at GC. So I felt like it was appropriate to, yeah,
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
exactly.
I was nearly falling asleep on a nice little chair earlier.
Got to wake up. We got to get going.
Gotta wake up.
Oh, I got to
Wake
finish
me
this
up.
first. Hello, viewers.
Hi,
Hello.
we're back.
Hi.
How many times are you going to say that on this video?
A lot of times.
Oh,
Because someone pointed it out on our comments, and now I'm gonna say it all the time.
great.
Anyway,
Anyway, I'm getting warm.
Not much has happened.
Hi. Not much has happened.
we are waiting for the Uber driver, and he's gonna be here in 1 minute.
That might be him.
That
No,
sounds like a
because
car
he's
pulling
on
up.
Eccles New Road right now.
Oh, okay.
So he's gonna be here in apparently 1 minute. So I'm gonna get picked up. The dog's
Oh my
going.
God, I can hear those dogs next door.
Dog's going ape shit next door.
They're little yappy dogs, but
Can
they're very cute.
Can you hear that? They're in here somewhere. Yeah, they're very yappy.
They're very yappy. They're so cute.
I
They're very
know.
yappy, but they're not happy because they're probably their owners are not in.
Probably.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
always like that. When they're not in, they just go mad.
They go ape shit.
They just want some attention.
They want some love and attention.
Yes, they do.
Oh yeah. Are you excited for your first night out at Grand Central?
I've been to Grand Central.
Yeah, but like proper like DJ night.
Oh, well, yeah. Let's see how it goes. It should be fine. It should.
Yeah.
So can you not put that right close
No,
by,
I will.
please? No, I am looking forward to it,
Oh,
everybody.
God.
So am I.
I'm gonna
Please
cut
do
that out.
not do that. Cut that out.
Jake and Neve. Hi.
Okay, so there's a rule about this song. If we don't give you the Macarena to it, I'll wait next. glasses on the tables. Don't you breaking them.
Give me something to pray.
So come again.
We're back. It's now the next day after the previous day.
Yeah.
This is the next day. Yesterday was yesterday and today is today.
Oh.
We are in Heaton Park.
Yes.
In
nature today.
bit of nature today. It's near Prestwich, North Manchester.
Really nice.
Lovely area.
And everyone's out because the sun is out.
Yeah.
Fine. Yeah,
You know, first day we've had that's really nice for walking.
more or less, yeah. The first day of the year where the sun is out and it's nice, everyone is out.
Yeah.
You can't blame them though.
No, of course not. It's not too far out from the city, is it?
No.
It's very easy.
It's about a 20-minute drive on a good day from basically the centre of Manchester to this park. Not too bad. Where have you been? There.
You like repeating the same joke?
No, it's
You
just
swallowed that same joke book.
it's because it's such a good joke. That joke deserves to be repeated many times.
They might have that little fun fair. That's where the music's
Oh yeah,
So it came in January.
that was going last as yeah.
I
Exactly.
walked past this little fun fair. The music was blaring.
And a bit
Hear it
loud.
from, like, outside the park, couldn't you?
Yeah, you could. Yeah, quite far away.
It's probably busier today.
Probably because of the weather.
Yeah. Slightly warmer.
Ever so slightly.
All taking the same thing. Had the bin in it as well.
A little animal garden.
Yeah, it's all
Park.
free as well.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
yeah. That'll be my new singer.
Yeah. We need a growl on the record. Use that.
Which one are you?
Yeah, pick your fingers off.
I think it's also, he's trying to get that other one.
Yeah. I think there's a goat up there.
Oh, come on, Mr. Peacock, spread your feathers.
Yeah. Lucifer.
It's Lucifer.
Oh. We got the same beard.
Yeah. You found your spirit animals.
Yeah.
They're brother and sister. Aww. And they're called Salt and Pepper. It's cute.
That's really cute.
The donkey, Ralph.
Yeah, I saw that. 39.
39 years old.
Oh.
Prancing about. A little fun fair here.
Have a look around.
Yeah.
Smells good.
It smells so good. I know, it's a really big place.
Especially when that theme park's on. So yeah, it's only on certain days.
Oh, so the first session is between 12 and 3, the second session is between 2 and 5. But for £10 you can go on all them rides.
Decent little theme park. Looks like it's on for the first 2 weekends of March. There's boat hire here.
Do you want a coffee?
A coffee? Yeah. Why not? Coffee stop.
Always in need of coffee.
Feeling a little bit tired and hungover from yesterday, so coffee is needed.
Yes.
Coffee on the way.
Thanks, Mama.
I'm just going to go get some sugars. Okay, guys. Hold on a minute.
Yeah, I think there's a couple of cafes here, isn't there? This
Yeah.
one's quite nice actually.
Yeah. Just sit here and chill by the wall.
I imagine they do food as well, that's inside.
Yeah, they do. There's a burger over there. On the sign here. Hi. We're back.
You can't do that all the time. I'm gonna kill it.
True. Little train track. Apparently it's closed. We will be back. Cozy time. Karomi and Squish
He said
We have a squishy.
and Baymax. Yes, we act our age.
he wishes to speak to you.
It's been a great day.
I'm all very tired.
Super tired.
I'm a nodding dog over here.
Mama is falling asleep on the... watching A Knight's Tale. Hi. It's now the day after yesterday.
Morning.
And the day after the previous day before that.
Okay.
So, hi. It's what time is it? 10 something.
Oh, I haven't got my watch on.
10:24.
That's
Shit.
my watch on
It's
charge.
10:24 a.m. on Sunday the 2nd of March.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
There you go.
There you go.
So now I know the time. The location is Manchester, Salford.
What are you going on
I don't know.
about? Anyway,
Where are we going today?
we're going to Chorlton.
Chorlton, come hardy.
Yeah.
That's
It's a
actually
funny
the name of the
name.
place.
It is an interesting name. I need to kind of work out why it's called that.
I don't know.
I think we should look that up.
That's probably a very specific story behind that name.
Might be.
Could be.
You might want to go incognito before you Google it. But anyway, yeah, we're going there to show Mama, not her, but Mama, what it looks like. Because it's actually quite a cozy little place.
Yeah, it's nice. And they
Yeah.
got nature.
And they got
Yeah,
nature as well.
And some shops, so we'll look in some shops.
Nature shops.
Like a charity shop.
Yeah.
There's plenty of those around.
Cool.
So yeah, let's go then and
Let's hit the road.
see you around. Any final words?
No. No, at the moment.
Not at the moment.
So just three.
I like that dresser.
Very vintage.
Apart from the drawer.
Don't break it now.
God. In at that. That's really nice though.
Not bad, not bad.
I'm not sure about that.
About the same age as you. If you can't fix it with duct tape, you can't fix it at all. Next one. Oh. That's alright.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Haven't seen one of those in 35 years.
Someone wants to put that up. There's a cat there.
Cats crossing. Where? Oh yeah. There you go. Psst, 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 psst. Ah. He doesn't want to talk. Cats crossing.
Yeah.
It's a very cozy place.
Yeah. It's a really nice area, this.
Very British.
It's like definitely got some London vibes here.
Yeah. It's like going back in time here.
Really nice.
Yeah, it is. 1883. Oh, hallelujah. Oh. Spring is just around the corner. Can't wait for spring.
Tiny one.
Yeah, more little buds. Buds. Yeah. Baby leaves.
Cold today.
It's bloody freezing.
I don't know why, it was freezing today.
Yeah, it is cold. It feels colder. Even though it isn't.
Cold nose.
Hmm?
I have a cold nose.
Cold nose. Hiya. We're back. Fuck's sake. Okay, I'll stop now. We're not back. What you're seeing is just a hologram.
A hologram.
Hologram.
Yeah.
Hologram. Anyway, hi. This is now the day after.
Here we go.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Anyway.
It's Monday.
It's Monday and we're hungover.
The Monday blues.
Or at least used to be hungover. Now it's slightly less so, but yeah. Feeling a bit knackered after yesterday. That was fun though.
It's worth it, yeah.
That was worth it.
It's awesome.
Yeah. Medal to the masses. Leader obviously won, Dwingle won. Congrats once again.
Yes, we'll get you an Uber. Mama's going now. No.
Mama's leaving.
I'm going now.
She's been with us for far too long.
Thursday.
It's always so rude to me.
Yeah, I get it on a daily basis.
Not always. Not when I'm sleeping.
No.
God. But yeah, it's been a fantastic time that I've had here, and with great company.
Mostly thanks to me.
You're such a git.
God. But yeah, be moving on. So sorry I look a bit rough today because I feel a bit rough.
Yeah, I was thinking. I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna stop now.
Stop.
Don't worry, I'll spin kick him when you
Please
leave.
feel free to comment on my behalf.
It's been good. I'm glad you enjoyed
I had a fantastic,
your stay.
Yeah. Metal to the Masses was really interesting. All the 6 bands were really good. And it was good to show our support for Leader, which was fantastic. So great they got through, and the other band.
Definitely. It was awesome.
Definitely deserved to get through. So
Ended up spending how long? An hour at least in GC afterwards.
yeah, having good chats.
Turned out to be open, even though Google said it was closed. But yeah, it stayed open until probably about 1, I think.
Yeah, it was quite
Yeah,
late.
we left when
We
it
must have
was still
stayed there for 2
open.
hours then.
Yeah, we were there for a while.
Yeah, because when we left, it was still open. It
Yeah.
wasn't like chucking out time, was
No.
it?
Not yet.
But,
Yeah, it was good. Good hangs.
You know, they're going to make money because if there were 7 gigs, everyone's going to go there after.
Yeah, because again, there was like a gig on at Grand Central, and then there was Suffocation, and then
Yeah.
obviously we had Metal to the Masses. So yeah, everyone went to GC afterwards. So yeah,
Why not? Stay open.
Yeah,
Well,
it was
yeah.
Carnal Rock that was
make some
at
more monies.
GC, wasn't it?
Yeah. It was awesome. Good fun. Good company.
Amazing.
Good
Yeah.
vibes. Good vibes.
Yeah, it was good. Until the next time.
Until next time.
Yes.
We will go to yours at some point.
Yes,
We
for Amber's
will.
birthday.
That's the tentative plan, yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully they'll be down at mine next.
Indeed.
Indeed. Anyway, see ya around.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.